platform to the water level, and there he is. He'll just set himself up to release himself from the system and escape to his life raft. Yeah, so what he's done now is he's disconnected himself from his escape system. He's now attached to that line, that's called a painter line, and that painter line would lead himself to a life raft. So he's making his way over to the life raft at the moment. So what you're watching Morgan do now is the life raft is in the inverted position. And so that life raft needs to be tipped up so it's the right way up. And so Morgan's just going to demonstrate how that will be done in the middle of the ocean.
Need help.
As you can imagine doing this in the middle of an ocean with massive waves around you. So it is not easy, it is a very, very difficult task, even in a pool that has no waves. It can be extremely difficult to do. Oh, well done. Get it, go Morgan. Go Morgie, go, give him a big clap. Excellent, well done. So as you can well appreciate being firefighters, some of the skills that we need to teach are difficult. And these people that we are teaching are just the Joe Block that are going out once a week. So doing that sort of skill is very, very difficult. Well done. So we just had a question about what are the rig workers wearing when they do this sort of work. So